The HITBOX MIG Welder 200A Synergy is a versatile 6-in-1 welding machine that accommodates a variety of welding methods, making it ideal for machinery repair, yard work, and DIY projects. Its synergic control feature simplifies the setup process by automatically adjusting the current and wire feeding speed according to the selected wire and gas type, catering to both beginners and seasoned welders. Equipped with advanced digital welding technology, this machine offers enhanced stability and performance, including features like burn-back adjustment and 2T, 4T settings, ensuring efficient welding operations. A large LED display provides clear and accurate data visibility, making it easy to monitor settings during use, while its compact design enhances portability for outdoor and on-site tasks. Built with durability in mind, the HITBOX Welder supports dual voltage operation and includes robust safety features like VRD, overcurrent, and overheat protection, ensuring safe and reliable performance. Professionally tested to meet high industry standards, this welder machine delivers stable and durable welding experiences, backed by HITBOX's commitment to quality.